Ready to unlock even more ways to make money online? You're in the right place. In this video, I'll share 5 beginner-friendly skills that can help you earn $500 to $5,000 a month. No prior experience required. Whether you're a detail-oriented person or a creative thinker, there's something here for you. Let's jump in. First up is transcription. If you have good listening skills and a knack for typing, this skill is perfect for you. As a transcriptionist, you'll convert audio files into written text for clients like podcasters, researchers, and businesses. Start by practicing your typing speed and accuracy. Many clients pay $15 to $30 per hour for transcription services. To stand out, focus on delivering accurate and timely work. You can find jobs on platforms like Rev or TranscribeMe. With consistent effort, this skill can become a steady income stream. Next is online tutoring. If you're knowledgeable in a subject like math, science, or even a language, you can teach others and get paid for it. As an online tutor, you'll help students achieve their academic goals from the comfort of your home. Start by identifying your expertise and creating a simple teaching plan. Many tutors earn $20 to $50 per hour, depending on the subject and platform. To get started, sign up on platforms like VIPKID, CHEGGTUTORS, or WYZANT. With consistent effort, this skill can turn into a rewarding and flexible career. Third is photo editing. From social media influencers to small businesses, everyone needs polished photos. If you have an eye for detail, this skill is perfect for you. Start by learning tools like Adobe Lightroom or Photoshop. While many clients pay $10 to $100 per project, depending on the complexity. To stand out, focus on creating clean and professional edits. You can find work on platforms like Fiverr or by reaching out to photographers directly. With consistent effort, this skill can become a lucrative part of your online income. Fourth is resume writing. With so many people looking for jobs, a well-crafted resume can make all the difference. As a resume writer, you'll help clients stand out to potential employers. Start by learning the basics of resume formatting and keyword optimization. Many clients pay $50 to $200 per resume, depending on your experience. To get started, offer your services on platforms like LinkedIn or Upwork. With consistent effort, this skill can turn into a steady income stream. Finally, let's talk about lead generation. Businesses are always looking for new customers, and if you can help them find leads, you're in demand. As a lead generator, you'll research and provide contact information for potential clients. Start by learning tools like LinkedIn Sales Navigator or Hunter.io. Many businesses pay $20 to $100 per hour for lead generation services. To stand out, focus on delivering high-quality leads and building relationships with clients. You can find work on platforms like Upwork or by networking with small businesses. With consistent effort, this skill can become a lucrative niche. And that's a wrap. 5 more skills you can start learning today to make money online. Whether you choose transcription, online tutoring, photo editing, resume writing, or lead generation, each of these skills has the potential to help you earn $500 to $5,000 a month. Remember, success comes from taking action. Start small, stay consistent, and keep learning. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss tomorrow's video, where I'll share even more skills to boost your online income. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.